Legacy systems have supported businesses for decades, but today they pose significant challenges to agility, scalability, and innovation. Issues such as vendor lock-in, high operational costs, and maintenance difficulties, mainframe end-of-service issues are among the most pressing obstacles organizations face. This is where FPT can make a difference. We leverage AI for modernization to understand the existing system and boost productivity.
Flezi EMT has delivered measurable and verified real-world results.
Flezi EMT helps legacy modernization reach level 7 or 8 with the support of AI, while other AI tools typically only achieve levels 5 or 6.
Flezi EMT is an AI-enabled solution to support rewrite and rebuild legacy system to open, no vendor lock in cloud-native architecture.
With Flezi EMT, you get an open architecture and a clear engineering process, no vendor lock-in. This is how the Flezi EMT system operates throughout the entire process.
An AI agent developed by EMT automatically generates test cases and test scripts, executes tests, and reports errors along with efficiency analysis. For example, in a POC, the total of 75 unit test cases with 10 failures and 2 integration test cases with 0 failures.
Full automation accelerates your journey. AI agents support every automation phase, with human in the loop ensuring accuracy.
With FPT and Flezi EMT, transform your legacy systems into future-ready platforms, unlocking agility, reducing costs, and gaining full control for sustainable business growth.